Hello and welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are unboxing the Oculus touch controllers separately bought for the lab to accompany with the Oculus RiftCV1 to allow for the actual room scale experiences that require 3 sensors. Original CV1 come with only one sensor, so this will give the lab another sensor so room scale can be set up. So let's just tear open the poly covering. Here we go. Getting straight into the unboxing experience. So as you can see, these are 2 extra controllers. You will not be needing them because the constellation tracking couldn't track more than 2 controllers at the same time. So they will be useless for now. We will be able to use them later if any one of the controllers got damaged or didn't function well. So we will be setting them up later in our channel in later videos. So please subscribe, stay with us, support us. So as you can see, there is some cravings similar to those and also some games. It's almost the same. There's just extra game that decline. As you can see here, medium, the Oculus controller is held in 2 hands, very popular hands. Let's just slide it open, take it away, and there is nothing in the box except from some logos and registrations and some post information. Let's open the box now. It opens from this side. Slowly. Right. There you go. Nothing much to the contents of this box. There is just a single sensor in this place. It will be necessary for the room scale setup for the Oculus RiftCV1. We will be doing that in our future videos, as I have already said to you guys. So sorry for that, repeating myself again and again. This is the touch controllers, as you have already looked at them in our CV1 video. Almost the same, looks and feels the same. It has also battery chambers, both of them magnetic. So what's more in the box? There is nothing more. There's one simple chamber here. It will have some documents and some battery, I think. Let's get started. Okay, it has the rock band equipment that didn't actually came fruitful. Actually, didn't know, the developers didn't use it, I think. Don't know very much about it. There is this adapter. I have just put it in a separate way, as the box says. This, I think, yeah, rock band something. I don't know what this did. Please comment if you knew what actually is this. It may have been equipment for the rock band app. So there's some batteries and some manual that I don't want to take out for now. That's it in the box. So the unboxing of this is very small, so because there aren't too many contents of the box, very simple. Let's close the box too. Rewind the unboxing. So we will be setting up the room scale. If you already still have this CV1, you do need to actually have some type of extension cards, USB extension cards with your PC, because you will be covering up 3 ports for the sensors themselves, and there will be other peripheries with the PC like keyboard, mouse, and all that. If your motherboard supports that, that's great too. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you on our next video. Have a great day.